Thank you. Okay, fine. So today just relax, okay? And today, how is school today? How is your school today? Good. Okay. Any homework? No homework. Oh. But what about tomorrow? Halloween? Yeah. Any activity at your school? Yeah. Are you going to make up? No, only for the regular dress, right? Okay, that's good. Okay, so today we are going to, based on last time, we still have 2 worksheets to do. But today we're going to do worksheet 1 first. And here is the worksheet. And before we look at the worksheet, I will tell you today what we do today, okay? So first we have worksheets. And today is still on worksheet 1 because before we only used the computer. Okay. And then number 2, today we will have 2 parts. Part 1 is going to be spelling. Okay, spelling. Okay. So for spelling, we're going to look at sentences. And then based on the sentence, we will need to find out what is the sentence about the object. Okay. So we look at spelling by reading sentences. Okay. And for this one, we will do an exchange, like take role. Okay, so you can do the spelling. I will also do some of the spelling to help you to get through the worksheets. And then both of us, each other, we can ask questions then for the answers. And then number 3 mainly will be a mixed verbs. Okay, for fill in the blanks. Okay, fill in blanks. Okay. So for the second one is spelling, it's going to be about food and drinks. Okay. And number 3, a mixed verb is going to be something we do every day. Like for example, I go to school, I brush my teeth, I do homework, something like that. But there will be a word choice for you to choose. Okay. So today will be the 2 main parts for worksheet 1. Okay. And ready? Okay. Okay, so first, I will keep this, even we have 3 worksheets, but today we're going to do number 1 worksheet first. So again, as I mentioned, number 1, part 2, will be spelling. So in here, I have sentence 1 to 16. So by each sentences, we're going to read through them and then need to guess with the word provided, the letters provided, we need to guess what it is. And once you know what it is, then we need to spell the whole words and fill in the missing letters in the missing blanks. Okay. So this is part 1. And after this, I will also pick random ones. So let's say I will read the sentence and you can tell me which one. Or I will read the vocabulary or the object, the food or the drinks. Then you can tell me which sentence I'm talking about. So this is part 1. And part 2 is is the one that I talk about, the mixed verbs. Okay, so again, we have a word choice in here, a random word choice. Then we will read the story and then just choose which is the best answer to fill in the blanks. And after we finish this, then we're going to read the story one time together. So like you can read the first 5 sentences, I read the second one, and you can read the third one. We will read it all together, one by one, okay? Any questions? Okay, great. And besides what we have on the worksheets, I have also prepared by using the laptop to show you some pictures in order to help us together to find out what they are on these worksheets in case we don't know the answers. We don't know the answers. Okay, and oops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, easy. So I will give you a pen. Okay. All right. Okay, so I will read the first 3 sentences just as a start. Then you can try to tell me first what they are. Then we can read one each, okay? And then also you can tell me what are the answers, okay? So I will start the first 3, okay? Okay, so again, here we have read the clues, which are the sentences, and fill in the missing letters on the right side. So, ready? Number 1, we have this sweet vegetable is yellow. And we have here 1, 2, 3, 4 letters. The first letter in here it shows it begins with a C. And do you have any idea what type of vegetable is yellow and sweet? So as an example, let's say we will eat this when we watch a movie. When you watch a popcorn, yes, very good. So, and first we have popcorn, and then now go into the pictures, right? Popcorn, of course, is made by corn. Okay, corn, of course, is yellow and little bit sweet. And again, with 4 letters, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the first one correct is corn. Okay. So now you can use this one and use this pen and fill in the corn. And do you know how to spell corn? Okay. Okay, now we have the first letter C. Corn, or. Okay, corn. And then corn. We have an N sound. Corn. Let's say name, corn, and you have a, yes, very good, N, correct. So of course we have C-O-R-N, corn, okay, the same as popcorn, can be anything, okay. Yeah, so this is just an example of the first one, okay. So we'll continue the next one with the same examples. Okay, number 2, I will read the sentence first. Many people drink it in the morning. But this one, let's say, usually people over 18 years old can drink, but for teenagers and children, they don't drink this normally. For me, I drink. For your mom, maybe she drinks or maybe not. And usually every morning I will have one before I go to school. So let's say this one, actually I have it on the table.
Water.
No, not water. But we have a double F. FF.
Coffee.
Yes, very good. Coffee, yes. So see, I have a coffee in here. Coffee. Coffee, right? Yes, coffee. Okay. And you have coffee. Coffee. Yes, very good. Coffee. COFFEE. So usually we will say COFFEE. 2F, 2E. Okay. And then very good. So the first one again, sweet vegetable, that is yellow, corn. Many people drink in the morning coffee, right? Because coffee for you, you don't drink coffee, right? But for me, I drink coffee. And does your mom drink coffee? No, she drink like a matcha or tea. Okay, very good. Okay, and number three. Okay, number three, you need 2 slices of bread for this.
Sandwich.
Yes, because it's your favorite, right? Yes, and you have sandwich, right? And you have sand. Okay, this one will be in here. Okay. Because we have sa and sand. Okay. And you have the second letter before the N, it should be. Yeah. Yes, okay, very good. And which, sandwich. Which. Instead of Y, we can use another one. Let's say if I use another sound similar to Y as well. You can use this as, let me also use my pen. Okay, so let's say we have this one, sandwich. Okay, but this is on the which. Okay, and what about sandwich? Which? Okay, very good. Yes, sandwich. So we have corn and coffee. Okay, and
Sandwich.
okay, sandwich. So again, if you look at the spelling, you have SAND, sand, and which, and all together, sandwich. Yes, very good. Okay. Easy? Any questions? No? Okay. Yep. So I think most of them you know what they are. Only we need to do is the spelling part. And you have number 4. You can read this one for me.
You can buy one at Burger King.
Yes, very good. Burger King, yes. Do you like Burger King? Yep, I like it too. Okay, so you can buy one at Burger King. And at Burger King, or even at McDonald's, what can we buy? And if you look at this one, and this one actually is the same, only we need to add 3 more letters at the front. So let's say, okay, so first we have the corn for the first video. Coffee, oh, I haven't shown you this one. Okay, coffee, we have coffee. Sorry, I just show you now. Yeah, so coffee. The third one, of course, we have sandwich. And the next one we have what you can buy. Yes, very good. Hamburger. and hamburger. Okay. Okay, very good for the burger and ham. I-N. Okay, very good. H-A-M, burger. Right, hamburger. So again, here we have ham burger. Yes, okay, very good. So again, you can buy one at Burger King, hamburger. Or even we can say cheeseburger, any burger. Do you like cheeseburger or what burger do you like? Cheeseburger, okay, same. But you like McDonald's, you prefer McDonald's or Burger King?
McDonald's.
Yeah, same. Actually, me too. McDonald's is the best, I think. Okay, and okay, number 5. This vegetable is long and orange. So first, it is a vegetable, it's long, and the color is orange.
Carrot.
Oh yeah, very good. Carrot, yes, very good. I was thinking to tell you a hint like the rabbit like to eat. And you have carrot, very good. Carrots, the same rabbit. Okay, and you have carrot, oats. Okay, very good. Carrot, C-A-R-R-O-T, carrots. Okay. Okay, number 6, this one you might not know because usually we use another word. And here you can put it on French fries. For us, I know in Thailand we say like tomato sauce sometimes. I mean, but in Thai, which I don't know what the word is, but so tomato sauce, we will also call, and we have another name for tomato sauce. And guess which word in this picture actually it shows the word, but which one do you think it is? So let's say for tomato sauce, we can also call it as a ketchup. Ketchup. Yeah. So based on the word and you think the missing letter, which one is ketchup? Okay, very good. Yes. This one I specifically find this picture because it shows tomato, but also in here we have ketchup. And for this one, it's only the company name. Okay, so we have tomato, that's why we say ketchup. Okay. Actually, still, sometime in here you tell people ketchup. Some people, they don't know ketchup. What is ketchup? Okay, so we have ketchup. And what about number 7? Kids love to eat it. It's very sweet.
Candy.
Yes, candy. Yes, very good. Candy. Okay, and you have D is here. And you have candy. Candy. Okay, it should be reverse. Okay, because can first, candy. Candy. Okay. Oh, and it should be D, not B, but D, candy, right? But for you, you like chocolate more than candy, right? Yes. For me too. I like chocolate more than candy. Okay, and number 8, you can read this sentence.
Big, small, yellow, fruit,
Tastes
taste,
Sour.
sour.
Yeah, this small yellow fruit tastes sour. And we have, ready for the next one? Do you know what? Yeah, lemon. Very good, lemon. Oh, wait, where's the lemon? Oh, lemon. Yes. And you have okay, and lemon, okay, lemon, okay, lemon, okay, again, yellow fruit but tastes sour is lemon, okay, very good. And then come to number 9. Okay, number 9, I will read this one. This drink tastes, well, it has no taste actually. This drink tastes, but actually, well, it has no taste. Any clue? Okay, this one I don't have a picture in the computer, but something that we drink, but it doesn't have a color. There's no color.
Water.
Yes, very good. Water. Yes, water. Yeah, very good. Water. So that's why I have a coffee and a water together today in here. Okay. Right, so again, this drink tastes, well, it has no taste. Okay. And you have water. And then, okay, number 10, for sure you know this. It's round, the shape is round. And my favorite kind is Hawaiian.
Pizza.
Yes, very good. Pizza. Pizza. And we have, oh, actually this picture is not only round. I have a pizza in a round shape, a triangle shape, a heart shape, and this one, yeah, we can also say this is a triangle. Okay. Yeah, yeah, but normally pizza is a round shape. Yeah, only in here we have many different shapes. And for pizza, like how many you can eat, how many slices you can eat? 1, 2, 3, maybe? Two. Okay, good. 2. And pizza, there are many kinds of pizza, right? Okay. Okay, so number 10, we have pizza. And number 11, okay, you can read this one for me.
This breakfast food comes in a
Yep.
come in a bowl.
Okay, very good. So this breakfast comes in a box. In here they mention food. Okay, it's kind of food, but it's also kind of like a snack. Sometimes we can eat it as a snack. Because I know actually most of the students, we actually eat that as a snack instead of a breakfast. Sometimes we will just buy the box and eat it as a snack. And we have, any idea? Okay. Okay, what about if you look at this picture, do you know, can you guess what it is? Have you ever tried this?
Yeah.
Right. Yep. And so sometimes, I mean, okay, mostly everyone will eat it with milk for breakfast, but I know many of us, we will just open it and eat it as a snack, right? And for this one, we will have cereal. Yes, of course, cereal. We have cereal. Okay, cereal. Okay, as this one we have CEREAL. Okay. Now this one I will show you with the picture with the spelling because this one is a little bit hard. Okay. So we have cereal. Yes. And do you eat cereal?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. But cereal like this kind, or like a mix, strawberry, blueberry.
Not this.
Not this, right? Yeah, I know. We should eat another kind. Wait, do they sell cereal at your school? At my school, my minimum, they sell cereal. Really? Oh, yeah. But our school, they do sell cereal. Oh, and next one, oh, actually, I gave you already. Okay, number 12. Okay, bees make it. And we have, so you know the bees, the flying bees, the yellow color. And what do they make? And sometimes we will also use it on the toast, or even some drinks we will put. And it's a very sticky, but also sweet. Kind of like a brown color, brown yellowish color. And it's made by the bees. Okay, you want me to zoom the picture, or you can guess what it is? Something made by the bees. We can drink it, we can put it on a bread, on a toast. And it's sweet, sticky, a brown yellowish color. And it's very heavy taste. Okay, and here you go. We have, okay, based on this picture, do you think you can find the word in this picture? Yeah, you have a E, you have a Y at the end. So what would be those letters at the front? Yes, okay, and we have this one we call honey. Yes, honey, yes, honey. Okay, you have HONEY, honey. Yes. Yeah, so honey you can just eat it this way, or you can put it in the drink. Sometimes we put in the tea, we put in the water, warm drinks, or we can also put on the toast, like a bread. Even sandwich. Some sandwich we put the honey too, right? Okay, that's why here they just make it really short. Bees make it. And of course we have honey. Okay, any questions so far for this? No? Okay. Okay, and number 13, Coca-Cola is an example of this. And what is this? And before I showing you the picture, think about, wait, what's the name? I forgot. Golden? K-pop. A very popular song in TikTok and on YouTube with the Korean K-pop. And we have, you remember the song? I think we have watched one time. You know the song named Golden? Yes. Remember what was the name? Yeah, soda pop? Yes, okay, soda pop. Yes, correct. So, okay, Coca-Cola, if you can see, okay, that's why here I would say for Coca-Cola, I refer to the song with the Korean pop, the song named Golden. And of course, we have the song name My Little Soda Pop. Yes, soda pop. Does everyone still watching soda pop or no? Still watching, really? Okay. So it's still popular. Yeah. Yeah. I listen to it only sometimes, but not anymore. Now we still usually listen to Tong 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 Sahura. Okay. Yep. So Coca-Cola is an example of a soda. Soda, actually, why we call it a soda, like with all the gas, it's like a soda pop. So all the drinks like 7-Up, Sprite, even Fanta, Coca-Cola, all we call them as a soda. So if I say like, do you want a soda? You want soda like Coca-Cola, Fanta, Sprite, Pepsi, or which ones? They are all conclude as soda. Okay. So soda is the category of all the soft drinks. Okay, number 14. Okay, you can read this one for me. Number 14.
Is yellow and is
Made.
made from milk.
Yep. It's yellow and it's made from milk. And mouse, they like to eat.
Cheese.
Yeah, very good. Cheese. Cheese, and we have a mouse with the cheese. Okay, so we have cheese. So the S should be at the end. Okay. Okay, and we have a long E. So we have cheese. Cheese. Okay, this one is okay. Only we have double E. Okay. Okay, and should be 2E, 2E. Because I have cheese, like say cheese. When we take a picture, we say cheese, like cheese. Okay, and now number 15. Okay, add this to tea and coffee. Something, not everyone, but sometimes people will put this into a tea or coffee. So let's say if I drink this coffee is black coffee, so they don't have. But sometime in the morning I will drink like another type of coffee, but it's not black coffee, so that means my coffee have is a taste, not milk, but we have a letter G. And this one is white color. Of course, if it's not in a drink, it's no color. But if we just put in a hot tea or hot coffee, even for cooking, we can use it for cooking. No, it's white color. Yeah, white color is like a sand, but it's white color. So let's say we have pepper, salt, and something sweet. And okay, there's a hint on this picture. They have on this picture. And again, it's white color. Any idea? Yes. Okay, and this one we call sugar. Yes, sugar, right? Salt, pepper, and sugar. Yes. And you have sugar. Okay, Su. Okay, S is correct. And the second letter we have, okay, but that is sugar, but sugar. Okay, it should be, let's see, you have sour, sugar. Okay, very good, sugar. Okay, and this one will be an A instead of an E, sugar. Okay. Okay, so this one you can just change to. Okay. Okay, and this last one is hard, a little bit hard. Okay, this vegetable makes me cry. But this, yes, very good. Yeah, when you cut the onion, it will make you cry. Yes, onion. Oh, you get this very fast, onion. Have you ever cut an onion? Cut an onion? No. Oh, but you've seen your mom cut an onion, right? Yeah. Yes, this vegetable makes me cry. Onion. Yes, very good. Okay. So ONION. Okay, that's correct. Very good. Onion. Okay. So again, we have the sweet vegetable is yellow. We have
Corn.
corn. Okay. Many people drink in the morning. Coffee. Okay. You need 2 slices of bread for this. Sandwich. Okay. And you can buy one at Burger King. You have hamburger. And let's do one more. This vegetable is long and orange carrots. Okay. And now, okay, I will do a random one, and you can tell me which one is it, okay? So let's say this small yellow fruit tastes sour. This small yellow fruit, okay, lemon, very good. And this breakfast food comes in a box. This breakfast food comes in a box. This breakfast food comes in a box. We have C. Yeah, cereal. Yeah, cereal. Yes, very good. Okay, so again, this breakfast food comes in a box, cereal. Okay. And it's yellow and it's made from milk. It's yellow and it's made from milk. Cheese. Okay, very good. Okay, and now we will do another one is I would say the word, okay, and you can read the sentence for me, okay. So let's do, you can tell me about candy. Yep, you can tell me about candy.
To eat is for
Very sweet. Okay, very good, very sweet. And what about soda?
Coca-Cola is an
example, okay, of this. Okay, very good. And okay, what about onion?
This vegetable makes my cry.
Okay, makes me cry. Okay, very good. Okay. Okay, now you can choose any one, then I tell the answer. You can choose any word in here, then I will read the sentence for you.
Pizza.
Okay, pizza is round and my favorite kind is Hawaiian. Okay, and let's do two more.
Coffee.
Okay, coffee. Oh, many people drink it in the morning. So do I. I also drink coffee in the morning. What more?
Sugar.
Sugar. Wait, let me see sugar. Okay, sugar. Okay, add this to tea and coffee. Okay, very good. Okay, you see?
Yeah.
Okay, and let's choose two. You can choose the sentence, then I will say the answer. Okay, any two you like. So you can choose two from here. You read the sentence, then I will tell you the answer.
Hamburger.
Okay. So first you can say you can buy one at Burger King, then I will answer hamburger. Okay. And now you can choose another two, read the sentence, then for me I will say the answer.
Bean.
Okay. Bees make it honey. Okay, let's choose one more.
Israel, my favorite
Kind.
is
Hawaii. Okay, pizza. Of course, Hawaiian pizza. Okay. But you know Hawaiian pizza, they have pineapple.
Yeah.
Yes. You like Hawaiian?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Okay. Easy. So again, we have corn, coffee. Okay, and we can just read this once, and you have.
Sandwich.
Okay, the next one.
Hamburger.
Okay. Carrots. Okay, and this one you can look at first the word cats. Okay, ketchup. Okay, ketchup. And this one?
Candy.
Okay.
Lemon.
Okay.
Water.
Okay.
Pizza.
Okay. And remember. Okay, very good. Cereal. Yes, very good. Cereal. Very good. And?
Honey.
Okay.
Soda.
Okay.
Cheese. Sugar.
Okay, sugar. Okay.
Onion.
Okay, you must have many experience with onions. You can remember this so fast and say so fast. But do you eat onions?
No.
No, really? Oh, but I like onions. Okay. Okay, so yeah, so today this one is about the spelling for food and drinks. Okay. And the next time is the second one. It's going to be about places. Okay. Okay, so any question for the first part of the worksheets? No?
Okay.
Okay. So we can remember this and next time we will just read them once more. Okay. And then let's go to the second page. Okay. But you remember everything on the first page? Yes. Okay. Very good. Okay. So today for this part, we will do it like two parts. So today I want us to do from number 1, okay, and up to number 9. Because this story is very long, so I think we will separate 2 times. So today we can do number 1 to number 9. And then the next time we will do number 10 to 15, okay. So first, I will circle some words that is possible to put in here. Okay, so let's say I will make a circle, okay? So the one that I did not circle, you can leave it this time and only focus on the one, only look at the ones that I circle, okay? And we have, wait, one, so I also need to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Da, 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 da. I think this one you can do very fast, actually. Okay. Okay, so the ones I circle will be the ones for answer number 1 to 9. But again, since they are random choice, so you will need to look at the sentence and tell me which answer it is. So I will read it one time first without those blanks, okay? So here I have, I usually at 7 o'clock. Okay, this is number 1. I usually at 7 o'clock. And number 2, I shower and my teeth. Again, I shower and my teeth. Then I breakfast. I often eggs with sausage and coffee. Okay, so we will do number 1 to number 6 first. Okay, and based on the verb choice, you think which one is the most appropriate? Okay, very good. Number 1, you choose wake up. Okay, correct. And what about the second one? I did a shower and did my teeth. If you're not sure the number 2, you can skip to number 3 first. So usually I would say I brush my teeth, right? Usually we say we brush our teeth, or you brush your teeth. But here they don't have the word brush. Instead of brush, which word you can use in here for my teeth? If I don't use the word brush, I can use the same I, but not brush. But I need to make it very white. The same like if I put something, oh, I need to. Oh, wait, you can cross the word that you have already. So let's say wake up, you have wake up, right? Okay. Yep. You choose this one, right? Correct? Yes, very good. Correct. Okay, so you don't use the brush, but you can use clean my teeth. Okay, very good. Correct. Okay, and this one, a shower, I can. This is the action. Yes. Okay, very good. I take a shower. Okay. Very fast. Okay. Okay, this one, actually this one we're gonna use on number 5. Okay. So because here is directly about the food, so like what do I eat? And then for this one, I cannot repeat the same word, so no. Yes, I have. Very good. I have. Very good. Yes. So then I have breakfast and I often eat eggs with sausage and coffee. Okay, very good. And sometimes my mother did pancakes. You can get close the word first. Eat.
Me.
Yes, make pancakes. Okay, very good. Make pancakes. Okay, so after breakfast, I did my school uniform. Okay, yeah. No, school uniform, the same size. School uniform is our clothes. Yeah, very good. Put on. Actually, usually we will say, I wore my clothes. But in here, the word choice they don't have were, so we use put on is also okay. The same, I put on my shoes, I put on my shirts, I put on something. Okay. Then of course the last one, every day you will go to school by car. Okay, very good. Easy? Yes. And before we read the sentence and go through the answer, first we have sometimes my mother. So we have make, okay. And do you remember for, let's say he, she eats, and we have a, okay, very good, yes. My mother makes pancake. It's the same something that she does every day. It's a present simple tense, simple present tense. So my mother makes pancakes the same every day. Yes. Okay. So you have the first one. I usually wake up at 7 o'clock. Okay, very good. Wake up. And sometimes we can also say I usually get up if you see some of the sentences. So wake up or gets up. And here I take a shower and clean my teeth. Okay. And again, usually we will say brush teeth. But here, since they don't have brush, so we use clean. Then I have breakfast, right? Because I will say, what do I have? Okay, I have breakfast and I often eat eggs with sausage and drink coffee. Okay, and of course, sometimes
My mom
makes. Okay, okay. After
breakfast,
okay.
I
Put
put on
okay.
my school uniform.
Okay, very good uniform. Always.
Always go to school by car.
Okay, very good. And also, would you mind to read this one up to this one again for me? Okay. Hi. Okay. Yes. Okay. Usually, very good.
Wake up at 7 o'clock. I take my shower
Okay.
and
Clean.
clean my teeth.
Okay.
Then I have breakfast.
Okay. Okay. Very good. So I will read it one time for you as well. Okay. So I usually wake up at 7 o'clock. I take a shower and clean my teeth. Then I have breakfast. I often eat eggs with sausage and drink coffee. Sometimes my mother makes pancakes. After breakfast, I put on my school uniform. We always go to school by car. Okay, okay, very good. And again, in the morning, what time do you go to school in the morning? Sometime maybe 6:30, 7? 7, okay. For me, I go to school at, my school start at 7:50. I go to school around 7:45. Okay. But my home is just next to the school, so it's very close. Okay. You see, this one not hard, right? It should be easy. You get this answer, you get some of the answer like really quick. Okay. Okay, so right now you have all crossing out all these words. Then we have all the left out words in here, the remain ones. We will do it next time. For number 10 up to, we still have up to 20. Okay. Okay. And then before we finish, then again, so this time the first one we have food and drinks, again spelling, and with all the reading and clues, we get the answers and the pictures. And then next time, of course, we finish the second one. Then the next few lessons is going to be the same type of worksheets. However, it will go by place to place. So this time we have food and drinks, and next time is about like a place. So let's say like here I have like I borrow a book, okay, library. I buy something in there, supermarket. I go to, I study in here, or school, okay. So next time will be about places, okay. And another one will be about prepositions, something like in front of, behind, opposite, next to. Then we have another one which is about the W questions. Right. So we have a list of questions. Then we will look at which W we are going to use in each of them. Okay. Yep. So this will be the pack for this coming couple weeks. Okay. And again, this one, which one you think is difficult? Yeah, like sugar cereal, maybe? Yeah. Ketchup? Yeah. Okay. But other is simple, right? Hamburger sandwich. But this one you didn't know before too, right? Is it the first time? Yeah, yeah, yeah. But yeah, because it's actually a tomato sauce. So we just, but in here we use ketchup. Okay. And actually this word is come from the picture I showed you before. Yeah, it's mainly come from this shop. Uh, like everyone's still using tomato sauce, but only they put this ketchup. Yes. Okay, any question for today? Oh, and I didn't show you this. Yes, onion. Onion. Yes. But do you know how many colors are there for onions? Guess how many colors? How many different colors of onions?
Two.
Two. Okay, let's see.
Three.
Should be three, but I think it's 4 or 5. Let's see. Three. Wait. 1, 2, 3.
Huh?
Yeah. Wait. So, okay, the purple one. Normally, the one we saw. We use the purple one in khao soi, right? Khao soi, yes. This one, yellow and sweet onion, probably using in cooking. Then there's a white onion. They have a white onion. Actually, these three, they look about the same. But they do have one that is a little bit sweet. Yes. Then for green onions, this one usually, okay, for green onions, usually they make like a Chinese food. Yeah, right? Or even some Thai dishes. And this one is more for like American food, Italian food. Yes. Okay. Yeah, so actually there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, actually 7. 7 kinds of onions. And this one actually is not this one. This is a big one, but this is a really, really small one. Yes. Okay, but this one, when you cut it, you will cry. But this one, you will not cry. Because it's so small. It's so small, yes. Okay. Any question for today? Yeah, that's okay. Yes. And you think your mom is here or not yet? Really? Oh. You want to play some games before we finish? No? Okay. You want to wait her downstairs? Okay. Okay, so that's all for today. And I'll see you on Sunday, right? Okay. And I can remember tomorrow is? What day is tomorrow?
Friday.
Friday, and it is?
Saturday.
Okay, but tomorrow Friday is what day? Tomorrow is
Halloween.
Yes, Halloween. Yes, okay. Okay, so thank you, Fa. Thank you for today. Oh, and because Halloween, I have, okay, for you. Welcome. Okay. I know it's chocolate. You like chocolate, so it's chocolate cookies. Okay. And enjoy and happy Halloween. Okay. I'll see you on Sunday. Sunday. It's okay. I will go down with you. Oh wait, let me get the camera.